6 months ago, I was spending hours every morning just trying to keep up. Not with my business, with my industry. Platform policy changes, regulatory updates, IP news, tech announcements, 15 different sources to check, headlines to skim, trying to figure out what actually mattered, and I was always 3 days behind. So I built this, an AI-powered intelligence system. Every morning, Claude gathers news across 6 topics, analyzes what changed, synthesizes insights, and builds me a complete briefing. 5 minutes to generate, 3 hours saved, and that's just one system. I'm going to show you how to build it, plus every other AI native intelligence system I use to run my business. Let's go. I'm Nick, I run mgguard.com. We track counterfeit products, fake websites, and IP infringement. A year ago, I was building these massive tracking systems, mapping infringement networks, connecting sellers across platforms, following money trails through shell companies, spider webs of data, thousands of connections, and I realized something. This is intelligence work. I was using large language models to find patterns I'd never spot manually. Feed them data, they connect the dots, flag anomalies, predict behavior, and I thought, if this works for tracking counterfeiters, why not use it for everything? So I started building intelligence systems for the rest of my business. Real-world systems for DTC and SaaS operators. Marketing mix models, what I call mixed models, mashing datasets together to find the signal in the noise, like finding exactly which ad creative actually drove a sale 3 weeks later. And here's the key advantage. AI doesn't have departmental bias. It doesn't care if the answer makes marketing look good or sales look bad. It just finds the pattern. That's pure intelligence. That's when I realized this is the future of business intelligence. Not expensive BI software, not analyst teams, AI native intelligence systems that see patterns you'd never find manually. Let's be clear about what this channel is. This is not generic AI tutorials or theory. This is building AI native intelligence systems and real workflows I use every day, built for operators, not students. Every video will show you the exact data structure, the exact prompts I use, how to interpret the output, and what action to take. No fluff, just working systems. Category 1, the fundamentals. LLMs don't read messy spreadsheets well. I'll show you the exact format, column headers, and data types that turn garbage into production-ready analysis. These foundations are non-negotiable. We'll also cover model selection. Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini have different strengths. I'll show you how to get Claude to build interactive dashboards and visualizations, what we call artifacts, automatically. Category 2, automated intelligence systems. Replace manual work with systems like daily briefings. Imagine Claude pulling data across your Shopify, Slack, and email overnight, so you wake up to an early warning system that flags issues before they become problems. We'll automate those grueling end-of-month reports. No more pulling numbers for hours. Claude analyzes trends, writes the insights, and formats the entire report while you sleep. True efficiency. Category 3, revenue and profit intelligence. This is where money gets found. We'll build systems that analyze every SKU to find products bleeding money, factoring in return rates, shipping, and true ad spend. AI finds a signal in attribution that Google Analytics misses. We'll also build what-if models for pricing. What happens if you raise prices 10%? We'll use AI to predict outcomes before you make the change, mashing customer behavior with sales data to find the pattern. Category 4, customer intelligence. Understand your customers better than they know themselves. We'll build predictive models that flag churn risk 2 to 3 weeks before it happens, analyzing sentiment across thousands of support tickets and reviews at scale. AI finds the patterns in customer data you'd never spot manually. We'll use Claude to segment customers by lifetime potential and behavior, identifying exactly what your best customers have in common. Category 5, advanced integration. This is where we go deep, building custom MCP servers to let Claude access your specific data and tools directly. You'll learn how to build real-time data pipelines that trigger actions automatically across your business. We'll even build multi-model workflows using Claude, GPT, and Gemini together for different parts of a complex analysis. This is the roadmap. Dozens of practical, working systems I actually use. How to get the most out of this? Start with fundamentals, data structure, and prompt engineering. Then pick one system to build, the one that solves your biggest pain point today. Build it, use it for a week, and then move to the next. Use my templates. I'm also building a complete course on AI native business intelligence with full curriculum and live walkthroughs. If you want early access to every template and system I build, join the waitlist in the description. Next week, we build your daily intelligence system. the exact workflow I use every morning. Week 2 is SKU level profit analysis for Shopify. Week 3, automated reports. And week 4, your first marketing mix model. Every week, a new system. Most AI content is hype. This is different. These are real systems built for real businesses, producing real results. Every tutorial shows you exactly what I use to run my business, not what might work, what actually works. I track counterfeit networks with AI, and now I'm showing you how to build the same systems for your business. Hit subscribe. See you next Thursday.